piece workshop going on right here. Jules is giving these ladies a lesson.
That's my motto. She only had a lines of turquoise, and she only had a red lip.
And you took it.
And of course I took it.
There you go. Okay. Everyone else.
Oh my god, it's like, what?
Yeah.
Jeepers, people. And then I don't know, like it's not a big deal.
I like the idea of a jewel on top of it as well.
Yeah, so I've got all this amazing,
This like goofy
How are
stuff
you?
over there, which will work.
Yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm doing it on that side.
Ooh,
On
gorgeous.
that side too. And then I'm going to add some flowers, I think.
Yeah. And some more color, like.
Yeah, so what do you think? What color?
I think,
Awesome.
Yeah, like this color. Let me just start adding.
Yeah. I found this stuff in this shop, this magical shop, and I was like,
God, it's amazing.
best. And they have gold. I'm not allowed to tell you. But
Okay, no, that's fine, that's fine.
it's our secret shop.
You can keep it secret, I totally get that.
But
I've
they,
been meaning to put up the sign for like a year now. A year.
Your Aphrodizzy sign.
It's there.
I know it's useful then.
I know.
oh,
Well, it is because then sometimes customers come in, I'm like, oh my gosh.
I thought it had fallen down in the wind or something.
No. We just never made it up. No, but also the landlord, I'm like, can we put up a sign? Where can we put it? He's like, oh no, we only like, I'll give you the right place to put it. And then he drew out a whole map, and then the other guys moved it at the front. So now everyone's putting up their signs sometime soon, so we'll just do it all in one go. Those aren't the fabric ones, but you know, it's fine. We can sharpen the fabric scissors, so if everyone gets.
how's it going, Miss Julie?
Good, thank you.
But it's not for 800.